What if what if I told you you could run the world's most powerful AI models right now on your laptop for free without any internet connection? So to do this, what you have to do is to just go here on Ollama.com. As you see, you have to go to Ollama.com. Then, as you see here, there is a script. Or you can just, if you are using Windows, you can just use the download button right here, and then you have to grab this script, URL script, and you have to move here on your terminal. Move your terminal. See, so you have to just paste in the URL script, and then you hit enter. The process is automatic installed on the system. When the process is finishing, you have to just run Ollama to check if the Ollama is just installed on your system. So what you have to do now is to install or to pull an AI model. So what you have to do, you have to run Ollama pull. Let's say one of the best models. Can't try Gemma 4. Oh no, let's try Gemma 2. Gemma 2 to be. So as you can see, it is just pulling. It is just being pulled. Now it is installed on the system. So to see if the model is installed on the system, you can run Ollama list. As you can see, the model is right here, Gemma 2. So to find this model, we have to type in Ollama Gemma 2. Here you have to send a message to try and see if the model is capable of responding. As you can see, the Ollama can run the AI model right now on laptop. This is Gemma 2, a Google AI model just on laptop. This is insane.